Before we generate our kiosk applications, let's review our creation. First, let's remember that Tealbussy is a web software that can be used to create live content, where visitors can already access the creation while other people are working on it. For this reason, it is important to have control over what is visible to everyone. To meet this demand, your work saved in scenes will not be visible to the public until you publish it. Even though our kiosk is not this type of live production, we will need to publish a scene. In the left menu, under Scene, click Publish. This not only saves the current version, but also publishes it. Now, another thing to remember about Tealbussy. The software uses standard web technologies to display content, so it is subject to browser security and usability settings. One of these issues prevents us from playing audio and video before user interaction. Remember when we set the music track to play at the beginning of our content scene? If our creation starts at this point, the audio will not play. It will require interaction with the content first. To solve this, we will create a second scene called Splash. It will have a button to start the content. Thus, clicking on this button will enable the media playback. In the left menu Scene, click on New, give the new scene a name, and click on Create Scene. Let's add a picture to this scene to use as a button. Use the image splash.png. Once added, use its original size and position it in the center of the screen. Now, let's create an action for this instance. Add the Load a Scene action from the Movie and Scene Handling group. You'll see that we can select the scene we want from the ones available in the movie. Register the action and let's publish the scene. You can test it after that. Notice that the Black Sun menu already appears in this splash scene. This is because we added the display action at the beginning of the movie. Since it doesn't make much sense here, we'll remove it from the beginning of the movie and add it at the beginning of our content scene. Let's go back to the splash scene and test it one more time. Finally, we need to indicate in which scene the movie will start. To do this, simply open the movie properties and indicate the index scene in the About tab. Now our content is ready. In the next video, we will discover how to export it as a desktop program for Windows and Linux systems.